Welcome to Upgrade Labs Riverton. I am so excited. Saturday, August 3rd, 9 a.m. in the morning, we are going to have Ed Harrold here talking about breath work. He is the ultimate biohacker himself, so this is just going to be a wonderful, wonderful talk. Ed, tell us about it.
So excited to be here, everyone. You know, Upgraded Labs in Riverton, when you come here, it's about me time. It's about taking care of your internal environment and making the external environment that you live in a little healthier, a little happier, a little more vibrant. I'm going to speak about how breath control and learning how to control your breath consciously is one of the secret keys to healing, being in the present moment, and creating a better future for ourselves. So there's all sorts of different ways we can breathe to enhance our physiology and enhance our psychological states. There's many great methodologies in Upgraded Labs in Riverton, and we can use specific breathing exercises on these beautiful techniques that they have here that are already scientifically proven. I think you're really going to get a lot out of everything that you put effort into in your life. So we look forward to seeing you on Saturday, August 3rd at 9 a.m. at Upgraded Labs in Riverton. Space is limited, so we really look forward to seeing you. Thank you so much, Thomas.
You're welcome. Thanks, Ed.